Hello, Carrie. How are you today?
Good.
Good, good. Hi, yes, I'm visiting with Carrie Bullock, a nice tax resolution client who we've been able to really give some big solutions to there. So how's your day going so far, Carrie?
Well,
Going well. So just a few quick questions here. Like, what were the main challenges that you and your husband Robbie had before coming to Cash Tracks Financial?
okay. Our biggest challenge was that, we had not filed taxes for so long that we needed to start repairing our credit score and trying to get a loan. And we could not move forward with any of that until we got income taxes filed.
Okay, wow, those are some big challenges, definitely. So why'd you choose to invest with a Cash Tracks Financial?
We had a recommendation from uh, a man in Springfield that had done work with you. And based off of that, that's why we chose to come to you.
Okay, well, thank you. We appreciate that others had provided the recommendation there. So what were some of the fears or obstacles that you had to overcome from experiences with perhaps other tax professionals?
Um, Robbie and I really had not worked with a lot of other tax professionals. We'd only worked with one other man. So I wouldn't say that we really had any fears or obstacles about working with anyone in particular. Um, I knew that there would be challenges. And, the challenges were that we had such an extensive amount of things that needed to be um, done in order to get the income taxes taken care of. And we needed to find somebody that was going to be able to tackle all those tasks.
Okay, yes, okay, great, thank you. So what are the positive changes that you've seen since coming to us?
Um, well, I'm not worried that the IRS is going to start taking money out of my account so much anymore like I was before. We have we're talking to two or three banks and trying to get that straightened out. So we're moving forward and doing able to do what we wanted to get done. So
Okay, yes, great. That's always nice and we can be moving forward there. So how do
yeah.
you feel now that you've been working with myself and Cash Tracks Financial here for, boy, seems like it's been about a couple years.
Yeah, I'm comfortable with everything. I know that if you have a question, you're gonna call and tell me what you need to know. And if we have questions, we can call. And you're pretty good to get back to us right as soon as you have the answer. So at this point, I feel pretty comfortable with just letting you handle the taxes.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Carrie. We really appreciate that, and we appreciate you, and we appreciate Robbie, and we appreciate the opportunity to be able to serve you. And of course, we thank you for the few moments you've taken here to sit down with us and to let other people know about your experience with Cash Tracks Financial here. So
Well, we appreciate the work that you've put in.
yeah, we put in a lot, and that's what we're here for.
Yes. Yes.